idiot.
Welcome back to Math with Ayhan. In case you were wondering, I am Ayhan and this is Math with me. This week we are solving a factoring polynomials problem using difference of two squares. What is the value of x minus square root of 2x if you are given that actually x minus square root of 2 over x is equal to 3? Here is the answer to the question. I will rewrite this expression as x minus square root of 2 divided by square root of x equal to 3 and set the denominators equal, writing this as x over 1 and putting square root of x here as the denominator. The expression becomes x root x minus square root of 2 divided by square root of x equals 3. And then after cross multiplication, x minus square root of x minus x root x minus square root of 2 becomes 3 square root of x. Here's the trick. I'm going to rewrite 3 times root x as 2 root x plus root x, which I will need in my next step of my expression, equals x root x minus root 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this 2 root x to this side and square root of 2, negative square root of 2 to the other side. Okay? Then it becomes x root x minus 2 root x is equal to root x plus root 2. Now remember, we called this problem as somewhere, and I'll be using difference of 2 square. Here comes that part. As you may notice, we have the square root of x as the common expression for both. So I'm going to pull that out, square root of x. In parentheses, I am going to have x minus 2 equals root x plus root 2. How can I use difference of 2 squares to factor out x minus 2? Here comes root x minus root 2 plus root x plus root 2 is equal to root x plus root 2. Remember, a square minus b square was equal to a minus b plus a plus b. Now I just use that expression just to factor out x minus 2. And I noticed that on both sides of the equation I have root x plus root 2 the same, common, so I can cancel them out. That will leave me 1 on the right hand side, so I'm left with root x in parentheses root x minus root 2. If I distribute this expression, root x times root x is going to give me x, and then finally I have root x times root 2, which is 2x, and the whole thing is going to be equal to 1. Now it's time for math with you. I'm going to give you our problem of the week, and I need you to help us solve it in the comments.
An inlet pipe on a swimming pool can be used to fill the pool in 16 hours, and the drain pipe can be used to empty the same pool in 32 hours. If the pool is filled up to 1/4 of the way, and then the inlet pipe and the drain pipe are opened, how long will it take to fill the pool?
Don't forget to watch next week's video for the answer.
Thank you so much for joining us. Be sure to check back every Friday for a new video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In the meantime, check out our website and our social media.